Class 10, we are going to start with the new chapter, that is United Nation. Okay, chapter 14, the United Nation. Now in this chapter you are going to study about when the United Nation organization was formed, then what was the purpose and objectives of the United Nation, principles of the United Nations, and composition and the functions of the main organs of the United Nations. In today's video we are going to discuss. So here, first thing what you have to remember, that the United Nation organization is a world organization. It is an international organization or a world organization comprising a large number of countries of the world. Now it was set up. So when the United Nations was set up, or when the United Nations was formed, so it was set up after the Second World War on October 24, 1945. Okay. So United Nations was set up after the Second World War on October 24, 1945, to bring an end to wars, to establish permanent peace in the world, and to bring about an economic and cultural development of mankind. So what you have to remember, why it was built. Purpose we are going to study separately. So you can write this also, but we will be doing purpose of the United Nations: to end the war, to establish permanent peace in the world, and to bring about economic and cultural development. Next you have where the headquarters. So its headquarters are at New York City in the USA, and almost all countries of the world are its members. And at present, its total membership is 193. So total membership we have 193. Next, we are going to study about purpose and objectives of United Nations. So what are the purpose? See, United Nations purpose and objective were defined in Article 1. It is defined in Article 1 of the UN Charter. And what are the purpose? To maintain international peace and security, to develop friendly relations among nations, to achieve international cooperation in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural or humanitarian character, to bring a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. These are the purpose and objectives of the United Nations. Repeating again, maintain international peace and security. Develop friendly relations among nations. To achieve international cooperation in solving international problems of an economic, social, cultural or humanitarian character. And to bring a center for harmonizing the action of the nation. Next, which we are going to do, principles of the United Nations organization. We have several principles, and if we have to say in short, it can be said that the main aim of the United Nations is to maintain peace in the world. Repeating again, what is the main aim of the United Nations? Main aim of the United Nations is to maintain peace in the world, so that the life of mankind becomes secure and worth living. But here now we are going to study about principles of United Nations, and as per your examination you have to learn 4 points. So here the UNO is based on the sovereign equality of all its members. Each member nation should perform her duty earnestly according to the charter. Each member nation should settle the disputes by peaceful means, so that peace, security and justice in the world are not disturbed. All member nations will not make use of threat and violence in their international relations. All member nations will help doing those functions which the UNO intend to perform according to the charter, and none will help a country against which the UNO is taking any action. You can also say that the UNO will not intervene in the internal affair of the country. The UNO will also see that all member nations work to maintain the international peace and security. So these are the principles of United Nations organization. Next we have composition and functions of the main organs of the UNO. So in this video I am going to explain only about General Assembly. But the United Nations has got six main organs: the General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and Secretariat. Repeating again, six main organs, general organs of United Nations organization: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, and Secretariat. These are the six main organs. Today we do not have this Trusteeship Council. Okay. Now we are going to study about General Assembly. This is the most important organ of United Nations organization. It is the chief deliberative organ, and it is considered as the parliament of the UNO. Parliament, you have studied, no? Parliament. So here UNO ka parliament, the UNO parliament is General Assembly. Okay. Now you have to remember the composition. Its regular session is held once a year on the third Tuesday in September and continues until mid-December. At the start of each session, it elects a new president, 21 vice presidents, and chairperson of its seven main committees. In addition to its regular sessions, emergency or special session can also be held. And each country can send 5 delegates but has one vote only. Okay, so this you have to remember as a composition of the Security Council. If we speak about the functions of the General Assembly, so the main functions of the General Assembly to discuss, repeating again, the main function is to discuss matter relating to international peace and security. Second, to promote international cooperation in economic, social, educational, cultural, and health fields. To promote the development and codification of international laws. To promote cooperation in the realization of human rights and fundamental freedom for all. To promote friendly relations among nations. To discuss and make recommendations on any questions affecting the powers and functions of any organs of UNO, to receive and consider reports from the Security Council and the other organs of UNO, to consider and approve the budgets of the UNO and its specialized agencies. So like this, the United Nations is having several functions. So you have some functions which you are supposed to learn for your examination. We completed General Assembly. In next video, I'll be explaining about Security Council, Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship, International Court of Justice, and the Secretariat. These topics will be completing in the next video. Thank you very much.